What's your idea of adventure? Is it radical or relaxing? Extreme or serene? No matter what it is, Royal Caribbean's Voyager of the Seas, Explorer of the Seas, and Adventure of the Seas deliver it all and more. Say bon voyage to the typical cruise vacation and hello to an unforgettable adventure. We've taken the ordinary and made it extraordinary. These nautical masterpieces have revolutionized the concept of cruise vacationing by featuring many firsts in the cruise industry, like the Royal Promenade, full court basketball, inline skating track, a rock climbing wall, and even an ice skating rink. With so much to see and explore, there's a new adventure around every corner. So come aboard, take a tour, and be amazed. Let's start at the ShipShape Fitness Center. This state-of-the-art facility is the largest of any cruise ship afloat and features many cardiovascular machines, strength training equipment, and a variety of fitness classes. Or maybe jog the quarter-mile running track. But if you're more of the competitive type, these world-class ships are the only ships afloat that have full-court basketball and volleyball. We are also the first to have a padded quarter-mile inline skating track. And for the true adventurer, challenge yourself on the world's first ever rock climbing wall at sea. Soaring 200 feet above the ocean, it's truly something to experience firsthand. Afterwards, the whole family can cool off at Adventure Beach. And when the kids are looking for some time away from their parents, Adventure Ocean fits the bill. This supervised program offers a wide range of activities for kids 3 to 17. There's also the Optics Teen Center, a supervised disco and video arcade. With so much for kids to do, these ships are ideal for family vacations. Here's something else unique to Voyager, Explorer, and Adventure of the Seas. The amazing Royal Promenade. It's the first ever city street constructed in the middle of a cruise ship. An impressive 4 decks high, it's equal parts town square, entertainment district, shopping center, and cafe. Let's go up and check out the staterooms. Here's another first from Royal Caribbean. Atrium view staterooms that overlook the exciting Royal Promenade and offer a bird's eye view of all the festivities happening below. Royal Caribbean offers a variety of staterooms, including handicap facilities. A room with a private balcony is the perfect way to make your cruise adventure even more memorable. These ships offer more ocean view staterooms with balconies than any other ship afloat. And our cabin stewards ensure that you have all the comforts of home at sea, and they're available 24 hours a day. Come on, let's hit the pool. Now this is the life. Take a refreshing dip in one of 3 saltwater pools, or just relax in one of the many whirlpools on board. But our pools are for more than just swimming. Our Sea Trek program offers you the unique opportunity of onboard scuba certification. If you're looking for adventure, Royal Caribbean is your answer. Here's another way to cool off. Poolside bars will make sure you never go thirsty. That'll hit the spot, but it needs a little more ice. No, you haven't been in the sun too long. That's an ice skating rink. Welcome to Studio B, the world's first and only ice skating rink at sea. Enjoy skating with friends during the day, then an unbelievable professional ice spectacular at night. Only Royal Caribbean would think to put an ice skating rink at sea. Moving on, it's high tech on the high seas. Royal Caribbean Online lets you check and send emails and surf the internet. It's the easy way to stay connected while you're on vacation. Looking for a little pampering? Relax, restore, and rejuvenate at the ShipShape Spa. This luxurious spa offers it all: wonderful treatments, ambiance, and stellar service. Well, if you thought there was a lot to do during the day, just wait till the stars come out. Your fun is just beginning. When dining, your options are virtually endless. You can enjoy the elegance of our 3-story main dining room, the casualness of Johnny Rockets, or the intimacy of Portofino, our reservations-only Italian restaurant. With 7 different restaurants, cafes, and 24-hour complimentary room service to choose from, one thing's guaranteed: an unforgettable culinary experience. And as always, Royal Caribbean's world-class service is the perfect accompaniment to every meal. Ready to be entertained? Enter any of these ships' magnificent theaters and you'll think you've docked on Broadway. Royal Caribbean prides itself in recruiting the talents of many professional singers and dancers from all over the world. Let's keep this party going. At night, the Royal Promenade comes alive. Bet you can't guess where we're going next. Step into Royal Caribbean's Casino Royale and try your luck at the slot machines, card tables, or roulette. Sip your favorite cocktail and enjoy the amazing panoramic views from the Viking Crown Lounge. With over 10 bars and lounges to choose from, you'll never run out of places to explore. Come on, let's get moving, really moving. The Vault Dance Club is a great way to wrap up any evening. Turn it out to your favorite dance tunes or just sit back and experience the electrifying atmosphere. Sure, these ships are unbelievable, but just wait till you see the places they're going to take you. Whoa, there's a lot of destinations to choose from, so you better talk to your travel agent and they'll help you decide which cruise adventure is best for you. The ships, the destinations, the fun, the activities both on ship and off. Royal Caribbean lets you experience the Caribbean in ways you've only dreamed of. With all the endless and amazing things to do, see, and experience on your cruise adventure, you might find yourself thinking, is that the sunrise or the sunset? But your first step in making this one-of-a-kind experience a reality is to call your travel agent or log on to RoyalCaribbean.com and get all the details. Let Royal Caribbean's Voyager, Explorer, and Adventure of the Seas take you on an unforgettable adventure. The world's waiting for you. Get out there.